Now paper number 46, Ibps Clerk Prelims. Then question number 66 onwards. Now in the 66 there are some 8 persons. They were born in the same year of 4 different months. Now 2 dates in each of these months. What are the months given here? Jan, and the dates are 9th and 17th. Jan 9, Jan 17. And next one, Feb, March and April. Feb, March and April. Feb, March and April. Now 8 persons born on these 8 different dates. The number of persons born before Q is talking about is lesser than the number of persons born after P. And these 2 persons were born on the same date, isn't it? Now P and Q must be born on the same date, not on the same date. P and Q were not born on the same date. That means if one of the person is born on 9th, the other one is born on 17th of different months. Neither Q nor P is either the eldest or the youngest, and P and Q cannot be the first place, or P and Q cannot be the last place. And these 2 persons cannot be the eldest or the youngest. As many persons were born before P and after P. That means before P and T, the number of persons must always be the same. And next one, S was born on the prime number date. That means S must be born on 17th of any one of these 4 months. And more than one person was born after S. After S, how many persons are there? More than one person. More than one person means S cannot be at the last, isn't it? S cannot be on the last date. S cannot be here. S can be on March 17th or Feb 17th or Jan 17th. These are the different possibilities we have. Then S is on 17th. And next one, more than one person born after S. And only 2 persons were born between S and V. Now between S and V, how many persons are there? More than 2 persons. Now how many different possibilities we have for this S? 3 possibilities. And shall we start with this S at this place? Now from the bottom, because S cannot be at this place, S can be here or S can be here. And in the next possibility we can have, and S can be here. Now if S is here, and how many persons in between S and V? There must be exactly 2 people. And only 2 persons born between S and V. S is here, 1, 2, V is here. Now in this case, V can be either the first place or V can be this place, isn't it? The next one. Now here in this case, V must be this. Must depend on and S and V. And U was born in neither April nor March, and so you must be either in the month of Jan or February on any one of these days. And R is younger than T. Where is this R? R is younger than T, but not to W. R is not younger than W means R is elder than W. And the one who was born on March 17th is younger than T. March 17th is younger than T, and so T must be born before March 17th. And they get the now let us take the possibility here. Can you take T at this place or not? Now this is the first possibility. Now in this case, if T is here, the number of persons between T and P must be same. And before this T, how many are there? 4. And so P must be somewhere here. Must depend. Are you getting this one or not? Then we had done with this information. Then between P and Q, how many persons are there? Now number of persons after this P, now before this Q, is lesser than the persons after this Q. And before this Q, hence where should this Q? Q must be here. Because after this P, how many persons are there? 4 persons. And before this Q, there must be lesser than 4 persons. Lesser than 4 persons, what is the only possibility we have? Q must be at this place. Then if Q is the remaining 3 persons, who are the remaining persons here? T, R and W, R is here, W is here. And the person who is left out is U, and U must be here. What's the Now this is about question number 66 to 70. Then 71 to 74. Now these 4 are based on syllogisms, and in this syllogism the first model that is logically follows. Some mobiles are earphones. Some of the mobiles are earphones. How to represent this one? Some mobiles are earphones. Must start cheyna. Now these are the mobiles that are earphones, mobile and an earphone, and only a few earphones are radios. Only some earphones are radios, but not all. And next to no radio is a TV. Now no intersection between radio and the TV. Then first one, some earphones are not TVs. No earphone is a TV, some earphones are not TVs is also true. Then next one, in order to make this one false, I need to write all earphones are TVs. But TV will write. Is it possible to write TV like this? Now if you write like this, no radio is TV will become false. Alternate diagram cannot be drawn. This will be true forever. Then come into the next one. All radios are earphones is a possibility. All radios are earphones. Tell me this entire radio is a part of earphone or not? Earphone cannot be a part of this radio, but whereas this radio can be a part of earphone. Hence it is possible. What is your answer? Both 1 and 2, choice by 71. Then 72 and 72. Now in this 72, now some steels are bought. Now these are the steels that are boxes, steel and a box. And all steels are shine. This entire steel is a part of what? Shine. And all shines are beautiful. This entire shines is what? Beautiful. Isn't it? Now beautiful, and these are the boxes. Then some boxes are steel. That is definitely true. And some boxes are not beautiful. Some boxes are not beautiful. As of now, that is true. Isn't it? And as it is true here, now because these are the boxes which are not beautiful. Now to make this one false, what should happen here? Then tell me whether I can able to write about beautiful like this or not. Hence all the boxes are beautiful and this is false. And so what is your answer? Only one. That is choice 1, question number 72. Now without drawing the diagram, now in this case, all the statements are affirmative. As the statements are affirmative, negative conclusion cannot be drawn, and this is anyhow is ruled out. Now you are left with only the first. Then coming to the third one, 73. Now in this 73, all bags are pouches. Now these are the bags that are pouches, bag and the pouch, and all the pouches are green. This entire pouch is a part of this green, and only a few green are beautiful. Now only few green are beautiful, some green are beautiful, but not all. Only some green are beautiful, but not all, and all beautiful are leather. Now this entire beautiful is a part of this leather. Now this is the first one. Then all beautiful are green is a possibility. All beautiful are green means this entire beautiful is a part of this green. Now tell me whether this entire beautiful can be a part of this one or not. Yes. And all pouches are leather is a possibility. This entire pouches, tell me whether I can able to write like this or not. Yes. Then what happens here? Both the conclusions are true, both 1 and 2, choice by question number 73. Then 74th one. Now in this 74, some tablets are medicine. Now these are the tablets that are medicine, tablet and a medicine, and only a few medicines are strong but not all, and some medicines but not all, and no strong is syrup, no intersection between strong and the syrup. Then first one, some medicine is not syrup, that is definitely true. And some medicine is not syrup means to make this one false, I need to prove all medicine are syrup. Now this entire medicine, is it possible to write entire medicine like this? No. With మొత్తం రాసే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా లేదు కదా. Hence alternate diagram cannot be drawn, this will be true forever. And second, all strong is medicine is a possibility. Now this entire all strong, this entire strong is a part of this medicine like this or not? Yes. Hence both the conclusions are true, both 1 and 2, choice by question number 74. Then 75 to 79. Now here in this, now 8 persons were there and they are purchasing different items and not necessarily in the same order, isn't it? Now first or the second priority. Now a parameter is also added to this one. Now we need to find out the person as well as the parameter, isn't it? Hence definitely under the second priority because it is linear arrangement almost similar to your boxes. Every time you need to keep the possibilities, 2 possibilities upside and downward. Okay? And definitely under the second priority. As of now, we have left to the remaining questions till now. Hence this must be kept as the second priority. Okay? Then less than 4 persons by after R. And after T, how many persons are there? Less than 4. Less than 4 means how many persons? Maybe 3, 2, 1 and so on. 3 to 1 or 0. And how many persons are there altogether? 8 or 9 persons? 8 persons. Now 8 persons were there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these 8 persons bought different items on a particular day. Less than 4 persons bought after this T. Then let us take the possibilities. Now possibilities start చేద్దాం. Less than 4 persons అంటే ఎంతమంది ఉండొచ్చు చెప్పండి. Maybe you can have 3 persons after this T or 2 persons, and if these two are invalid, and 1 and 0. Altogether how many? 4. But as we are working with the help of just 2 possibilities. The next one, T who buys neither jar nor bag. Now T is neither jar and a bag. T neither jar nor a bag. Isn't it? And again it is T neither jar nor bag. Neither jar in the bag. And next one, as many persons buy after T and before the one who buys bangle. Now after T how many persons are there? 3. And before the one who buys bangle, and there must be exactly 3 people. After T 2 and before the one who buys bangle, there must be exactly 2 people. Must సరిపోయిందా? And 2 people. And 3 persons between bangle and the one who buys bag. Now between bangle and the bag there must be exactly 3 people, 1, 2, 3. Now in the first case the one who bought a bag is here. Now in the second case 1, 2, 3, the one who buys a bag is at this case. Must సరిపోయిందా? Bag. And next one, or you buys immediately before the one who buys bag. U is immediately before the one who buys bag. In this case U is before the one who buys bag is ruled out. And so this case is ruled out. Now we have left with this one. Once you have done this, and if at all if it is invalid, then you need to take the remaining 2 positives. Okay? Then R buys immediately before P and one of them buys bangle. R is immediately before this P, one of them buys bangle means now R cannot be bangle, P must be here and R must be here. R is immediately before P and one of them buys. Only 2 persons between P and Q. 1, 2, Q can be either at the first place or Q must be at the first place, isn't it? And backside is not possible after. And W buys immediately before the one who buys jar. Now W buys immediately before the one who buys jar. Jar and W must be adjacent to each other, isn't it? And so many possibilities. If jar is here, W will be here. Jar is U and W will be adjacent. Then jar and this. And next one. And U buys, W buys. And U buys either box or pouch. Now U buys either box or pouch, isn't it? Either box or pouch. And the next one, 2 persons between S and the one who buys vase. Now between S and the one who buys vase, there must be exactly 2 people. Then where can we this S be? Can we have S at this place? My S at ఉండొచ్చా? If S is a 2 persons between S and vase is not possible, isn't it? Then what is the other possibility we have? And S, and can we have S at this place? And 2 persons between S and vase. Now if S is here, now R must be here. This is one such possibility we have, isn't it? And now if R is here, now W, then W and jar. Now W and jar, is it possible to have W and jar like this? మా ఇక్కడ మనకి S ఉంటే, and S cannot be at this place, what we have done, isn't it? Then between S and vase there are 2 people. Then W is immediately before the one jar. We cannot have jar at this place, isn't it? Then we cannot have jar at this. మా jar ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు, ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు, ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఛాన్స్. And which implies that S cannot be at this. If S cannot be here, then what is the only possibility left over for this? S must be here. Now if S is here, now vase. Now who must buy with this vase here? And T must buy vase. And between S and vase there must be exactly 2 people. As this next one. And W is immediately before the one who buys. Now W and before what? Before jar. And where should this jar? Jar must be here. If jar is here, W is here. All the persons were completed. Now we are left with V at this. Must have been the next one. And 2 persons between S and vase. The one who buys mat bought just before table. Mat and table must be adjacent to each other. And so mat is here and table is here. Then what is the only thing left over here? Now box and pouch we have 2, and T and J, box and pouch. And V buys neither box nor jar. V is not box, hence V must be pouch. Now if V is pouch, now this U must be box. Clear? Now this is the final arrangement we have. That is question number 75 to 79. Yes,